Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Wow. Gray color. Yellow color. Yellow ochre color. Pink color. Purple color. Green color. Wow. Blue color. Red color. Orange color. And last one is black color. It's now you draw A and use yellow color. Kids, you are doing great. Nice. A for apple. Kids, now you draw B and use orange color. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and use gray color. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use yellow ochre color. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use light pink color. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F and use purple color. F for fish. It's now you draw G and use green color. G for God. It's now you draw H and use blue color. H for helicopter. It's now you draw I and use red color. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use black color. J for joker. It's now you draw K and use yellow color. K for king. L for lion. It's now you draw M and use orange color. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O and use purple color. O for orange. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q and use green color. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use blue color. S for sun. T for teacher. It's now you draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use red color. 1 2. It's now you draw 3 and use black color. 3 4. It's now you draw 5 and use yellow color. 5 6. It's now you draw 7 and use pink color. 7 8 It's now you draw 9 and use yellow ochre color. 9. Now last you draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.